Hello everyone. Today we are going to do an activity on equivalent fractions. For doing this activity, you'll need 5 color papers of same size but of different colors, glue and a marker. So let's start the activity. Take one of the paper, and as you can see, this paper is not divided into parts. So it's a whole one and we can represent it as 1. So I'm going to write here 1. Take the next paper and fold it into 2 equal halves. Now it has 2 parts and these 2 parts are equal. So each part can be represented as 1 by 2. So I'm going to write here 1 by 2 and here also 1 by 2. Take the next paper and fold it into 4 equal parts. First I am going to divide it into 2 equal parts. And again I am going to divide it into 2 equal parts. Now see, this paper has 4 equal parts. And each part represents 1 by 4. This part represents 1 by 4. Each part represents 1 by 4. Fold the next paper into 8 equal parts. First I'll divide it into 2 equal parts. Then again I'll fold it into 2 halves. And again I'm going to fold it into 2 equal halves. Now see how many parts are there? 8 parts. And each part represents 1 by 8. Take the next paper and fold it into 16 equal parts. First I am going to divide this paper into 2 equal parts. Then again I am going to divide it into 2 equal parts. Then again I am going to divide it into 2 equal parts. And one more time I am going to fold it into 2 equal parts. Here are 16 equal parts and each part represents 1 by 16. Now join these papers using glue. I have already pasted these papers and these papers are of same size. So we can say 1 is equals to 2 halves, which is equals to 4 1/4, which is equals to 8 1/8, and it's also equals to 16 1/16. Or 1 is equals to 2 by 2, which is equals to 4 by 4, which is equals to 8 by 8, and it's also equals to 16 by 16. And we can say 1, 2 by 2, 4 by 4, 8 by 8, and 16 by 16 are equivalent fractions. I have folded the paper and here 1 by 2 is equals to 2 1/4, which is equals to 4 1/8, which is equals to 8 1/16. Or half is equals to 2 by 4 is equals to 4 by 8, and it's also equals to 8 by 16. So 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 4 by 8 and 8 by 16 are equivalent fractions. Here 1 by 4 is equals to 2 1/8, which is equals to 4 1/16. Or 1 by 4 is equals to 2 by 8, which is equals to 4 by 16. So 1 by 4, 2 by 8 and 4 by 16 are equivalent fractions. Here 3 by 4 is equals to 6 by 8, which is equals to 12 by 16. So 3 by 4 and 6 by 8 and 12 by 16 are equivalent fractions. So by folding this paper, you can find out different equivalent fractions.